Have you ever had to get a tool that's at the very bottom of a toolbox and you just can't find it because there's just so much stuff in your toolbox? Well, I've got a solution for you. This right here is the SK 21-inch heavy duty tool bag. This thing is a very solid and strong and will take all your tools and keep them super organized. I'm going to show you that and an unboxing of this and exactly how user friendly this bag actually is. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Go ahead and take it out of the bag. This thing looks really awesome here. It has over 50 pockets in it. It allows 40 elastic sleeves to be able to put tools and things in it, which is really cool. You can see some of those elastic pieces here and here. So many zippers, so much room inside of this as well. It's got elastic piece here. And then inside here has your shoulder strap bag, plus so many more pockets. Then here has more pockets on the side. So you're able to get everything you need pretty much in one bag, which is really helpful. These are little pockets as well that stretch. On this side, you have a little zipper and more pockets here. And then the same thing on this side that the other side had. Again, more pockets, more elastic straps, and you're just able to fit so much stuff in this. Keep everything nice and organized. One other feature I like is that it integrates with their toolkit and bag. So then you're able to literally just pick it up, take it with you, have all of your parts organized, pull this out, and you can easily pop that off again. I just pulled both of the sides at once. It locks right in there. You just set it on there, locks in. That right there is pretty neat. So let's go ahead and start organizing. You can simply push that out of the way. Again, it does come with one of those really large straps. Then you can just start organizing all of your tools to where you can see them. You'll easily be able to get them out whenever they're needed. And for those really big tools, you can just set them right down in the bottom. So we were able to take our box, empty it out, and put it in here super nice and organized. You are literally able to see all the tools, pull them out, put them back in super easily. The side pocket has all of that stuff. The front pocket has a zipper on it that allows you to put small parts as well. All of it zips up super nice. Now you can go ahead and get rid of this old junky toolbox, and now you have a bag that is easy to transport, to carry, and take wherever you need it to go. So another really cool feature about these SK bags is if you do have their 20.5-inch small parts tray, you can just go ahead and stick this on there, and then take it to your work site with you. And then whenever you need it, you just pull those two little side tabs, and it comes right off. You have all the parts you need, and the bag as well. If you like this video, go ahead and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Down in the description will be a link to this. And if you're also interested in the parts tray, I'll link that as well. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.